Good morning, guys. It's ATO. What's up, you guys? Today, I'm gonna go somewhere else special today to do something really cool and exciting. So that's pretty cool. They just got the cement just poured today, so that's pretty cool and exciting. I will show you guys, pretty soon. So talk to you guys when I show you.
This is my vlog channel. Check out my main channel. Do 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 do. It's Go Dogs for One.
That's the cement pouring. They just put the cement and now he's flattening things down. Looks like, don't know exactly, but that's what he's trying to do. Flatten things out. That's what they did today, so that's pretty cool and exciting. Today we are gonna do a challenge. So that's really cool and exciting for probably, I don't know when it's gonna be uploaded. Probably next month. Let's see. I always pre-record my videos early, so I don't have to worry about it. I'm kind of scared to do this challenge, but hey, I'm gonna just do it. So, it's gonna be fun and exciting and saw it on some channels. So that's pretty cool. And then, I'm gonna make another video today, which is nice and exciting. So talk to you guys when we're on the road. Sneak peek of what we got for a video idea. Now you guys, I'm just going to my parents for supper, so that's exciting and really cool and really nice that they invited me over for supper. So talk to you guys when I get there. So I hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up and tell me in the comments what you guys want us me to do tomorrow. Have a good night, girl. Bye.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, be sure to hit that like button. And if you're not subscribed, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Make sure to check out some more videos of mine right over there. And, oh, you didn't hit the like button yet? How could you? How dare you? Thanks for watching. Bye!